Now jersey number 5. Pass to 34 to jersey number 19. Pull-up jumper, there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 21. That is your first personal foul. 2 shots. Basket first free throw. 4-1. One out of 2. Rebound taken by jersey number 28. 10 to shoot. There's a whistle. Done. Hindi umoda. Go back to the ball game. 4-1. Now jersey number 02. Haras ball pass to 21. Nakuha si jersey number 21. Pass to 02. To 23. Now jersey number 23. Screen by jersey number 30. Pass to 21. The steal from behind, but there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 5, the steal by jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 coast to coast. Easy basket. 3-4. Now jersey number 02, dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 21. Pass to 17. Attacking the basket, pull-up jumper. 20 bounce, 2 points. Side stress. Now jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 kick out to 34, 3-point attempt. Wallace! Jersey number 17. Steal from behind. Pass to jersey number 5 to 19. Jersey number 19. Out of bounds. Wallace. Hindi ka mapapatuwa. Now jersey number 02 to 17. Another steal. Now jersey number 34, pass to jersey number 5 to 19. Fake. Change favor. Avansin na Macau. Now jersey number 23. To jersey number 30. 10 to shoot. Bang! Wallace. Now jersey number 34, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. Change the corner to 19. Jersey number 19 to 7. Attacking the basket. They drop 2 points. 10-8, 6 minutes and 13. Now jersey number 23. Asking for ISO. Now jersey number 23. Spin move. Fall away jumper, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 19. Pass to 30. Now they play. Goes on jersey number 10. Now jersey number 23 to 30. To jersey number 7. Pull up jumper, no good. Now rebounds on jersey number 7. Now jersey number 7 to 34. Pass to 19. Jersey number 19 attacking the basket. Home up. 12. Now jersey number 23. They're dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number foul. Foul, jersey number 30. Substitution. Sulod. Jersey number 30, that's his first free throw, 12-9. A 2 out of 2. 12-10. Now jersey number 34. Pass to 7. Kick out to the corner to 19. Attacking the basket. All by the last. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Pass to 23. Now jersey number 03. Pass to jersey number 17. To jersey number 10. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 34 to 19. Back to 34. 3-point attempt. Bang! 3 points. Now jersey number 23. Harassed by jersey number 12. Now jersey number 23 looking for pass. Pass to jersey number 30. Steal by jersey number 19. Now jersey number 19 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 34. Asking for play. Screen by jersey number 23. Another 3-point attempt. No. Rebound taken by jersey number 23. Now jersey number 22. Pass to 34. Down to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 33. Pass to jersey number 10. Shoot. 23 to 13. Now jersey number 30. Coast to coast. Oh, good. Rebound taken by jersey number 7. 4 minutes. Pass to jersey number 19. Steal by jersey number 03. Now jersey number 03 attacking the basket. There's a whistle. Foul. Substitution. Foul, jersey number 23. First personal foul. 2 shots. 15-10 in favor of Macau. First free throw, no good. One out of 2. 11-15. Now jersey number 7 attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by 19. Oh, no. 3 minutes and 14. Now jersey number 10. Harassed by jersey number 5. Now jersey number 10. Attacking the basket. Oh, the basket. A rebound taken by jersey number 7. A steal by jersey number 17. Oh, 13-17. 3 minutes and 15. Now jersey number 5 to jersey number 7 to 19 to the corner. Fake. Attacking the back inside step drop pass to 28. Bang! 2 points. 19-13. Substitution. Clearing the ball. There is a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 12. That is your first personal foul. Warning for penalty. The jersey number 23. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Pass. Nice pass. Foul! Basket down. Foul. Jersey number 19. Duana foul to 19. Sulod. First free throw, no good. One out of 2. Now jersey number 17. Dribbling the ball. Deflected, steal by jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5. Harassed by jersey number 22. There is always a Foul committed by jersey number 23. That is your first foul. Apat naman save. 13 foul. Now jersey number 7, traveling violation. 2 minutes and 14, 20-16. Foul committed by jersey number 12. Penalty. Jersey number 12, that is your second personal foul. Penalty. Oh, basket first free throw. Tatlo na naman save. Basket lang. One out of two. Now jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 5. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 5. Fake. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. 2 minutes. Now jersey number 23. Arrest by jersey number 21. Behind back. They're asking for screen. Jersey number 3 to 13. To jersey number 3. Time to shoot. Out of substitution. 1 minute and 4. Oh, no Corinta, tatlo man save. 20-17, Bacao. Back to the ball game now, jersey number 5. Delivering the ball. Pass to jersey number 30, to jersey number 5, to the corner to 21. Pass to jersey number 30, back to 21, 10 to shoot. Follow up, no good. 5 to shoot. There's a whistle. Out of bounds. 4 seconds to shoot. 4. 4 to shoot. 4. Oh, 14 shot clock, 14. 10 to shoot. Foul! Foul, jersey number 08. 08 na. Warning for penalty, man. Ilajabon. Offensive foul. Jersey number 28, that is your first personal foul. 1 minute and 11. 11. Jersey number 20. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 28. 1 minute. Foul committed by jersey number 21. That is your first personal foul. Penalty. $59 seconds remaining time. First free throw, no good. One out of two. One and a half, I say. It's 50. The jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. 3-point attempt. 2 points there. 2 points. Now jersey number 20. 30 segundos. Fade away, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 5. Nabuyan na. 20. Pass to jersey number 16. Nakuha si jersey number 73. Foul. Foul, jersey number 23. That is your second personal foul. Duha na foul mo 23. Ala na. Wala na time. 10. 5. Ito yung mga ko. Time expired. 3 points. 25-19. In favor of Bacau. Aray ko. Nakakamplay na. Kamplay na. Tutuloy na kamplay. Tutuloy na kamplay. Aray. Sige, bye-bye. Ayan. Was. Lodi mong golang. Aray. Bang. Aray ko. Hop. Tama na. Karunaman. My God. Karunaman. My God. Masih quarter down. Still by jersey number 10, now jersey number 23. Drop pass to 10. Fake. Foul, rebound by 28. Pass deflected, that was in jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5, dribbling the ball, pass to the corner. To jersey number 30, back to 21. Now deflect, out of bounds. Fast deflected, still nakuha sa jersey number 21, still from behind, pass break to jersey number 23, side step, lap out, rebound by jersey number 10 to 35, out of bounds, alright, good. Now jersey number 5, pass to 21, to 19, back to 21, 3-point attempt, no good, out of bounds. Now jersey number 05, harassed by jersey number 5, jersey number 05, pick, pull up jumper, no good, rebound taken by jersey number 19, pass to there is a whistle, foul, committed by jersey number 21, that is your second personal foul, jersey number 21, that is your second personal foul. Now jersey number 5. And dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 30. 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 28. Pass to 21. To the middle to jersey number 35. 3-point attempt, no good. Out of bounds. Now jersey number 23, harassed by jersey number 5. Now he's dribbling the ball past to jersey number 21 to 23. Pull up jumper, there is a whistle, foul. Committed by jersey number 5. That is your second personal foul. Jersey number 5, do one foul more. Oh, basket first free throw. Di maabansin. O isa lang, 1 out of 2. Last kill by the jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. Traveling violation. Traveling. Now jersey number 34. Dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 21. Pass to 19. Drop pass steal by jersey number 13. Now jersey number 10 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 23. Pass break to jersey number... Nakuha sa jersey number 34. Pass to jersey number 21. Now jersey number 21 to 30. Tawhali. Nakuha sa jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 34. 3-point attempt. Jersey number 30, teardrop, oh, 26-34, 4 minutes and 40. Now jersey number 5, screen by jersey number 34, attacking the basket, kick out to the corner, pass in the middle to 12, jersey number 5, 3-point attempt. So Nolan, Unsina Banse, Unsina. Substitution, sulod. Sulod, masab, sulod. Unsina Banse, 37-26, back to the ball game. Now jersey number 34, attacking the basket, offensive foul. Jersey number 34, that is your first personal foul. Substitution. 37-26, 4 minutes and 15. Back to the ball game. Now jersey number 30, attacking the basket, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by jersey number 19, pass to 21. Now jersey number 21, dribbling the ball, pass to 19, attacking the basket, kick out to the corner, to jersey number 5, a traveling violation. With jersey number 10, at 23, dribbling the ball, out of bounds, same ball. Steal, kana may right ko, taway, 39. Oh, deflect. The jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 11, full out jumper, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 13, full out jumper, no good. Rebound by 19, pass to jersey number 5, pass to 7, taway. Alright. Time out. Wala na kamo time out sa first half. San Rafael, 41-86.
Dinasundan?
Jersey number 23, harassed by 21. Pass to jersey, steal na naman. Now jersey number 7, attacking the basket, goes to Kozo at last 2 points. 43-26, PCU City na avances. The jersey number 10, pull up jumper back. Now jersey number 5, there is a whistle, offensive foul. Foul, jersey number 21. That is your second. Now jersey number 23. Dribbling the ball. Harassed by jersey number 12. Now jersey number 23. Wow! Namin sa pasa. Offensive and save. 2 minutes and 20. 43-30. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number deflected. Steal by jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Pass to 23. To jersey number 05. Spin move. Attacking the basket. Kick out to jersey number 26. Back to back. 2 points by jersey number 26. One minute and 14. Unsafe. Fallout jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 23. Now jersey number 23. Dribbling the ball. Harassed by jersey number 12. Offensive foul. Jersey number 23. That is your third personal foul. Tatlo na ball mo, jersey. Time out. Back out. 3 minutes. Bang! 3 points. Jersey number 30. Fake. Back to jersey number 21. Pabos. 50 segundos. Jersey number 5, another fake. Fly by Wolf. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 21. Pass to 5. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tapos. Now jersey number 26. Attacking the basket. Tapos. 20. 15. 10. Jersey number 5. Wow. 5. Basket count. Buzzer beater. 34-48. Oh, ayan ang second quarter. Tumbling na kamo. Tumbling na, tumbling.
Check. On chair ka mo na, kahit yung table talaga, pa-comfort room.
Jersey number 05 to 23. Now dribbling the ball. Screen for 30. Side step pull up jumper, no good. Driven by 21, deflected from the outfield. Pass it to jersey number 5. Cabos. Nakuha sa jersey number 23. Now jersey number 23 to jersey number 30. 2 points. Now jersey number 19, 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Pass to 23, now jersey number 23. Then dribbling the ball. Arrest by jersey number 7. Stay by jersey number 7. Juicy basket. 50-36, 14-11. Now jersey number 30, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound taken by jersey out of bounds, same ball. Wait lang. Abaliog lang, dahil ito ang dalaw mo, basta madisgrasya rin yung player ka ron, Sherman. Jersey number 30, pull up jumper, bang! Back to back, 2 points. Now jersey number 30, 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 17. Jersey number 17, steal by jersey number 5, pass play. Taway, aray ko, makawagak ka. Now jersey number 30. Pull out number, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30 o 14, avance. 52-38. Now jersey number 32, jersey number 5. There's a whistle. Ang managin ng balgo, my God. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 7, back to jersey number 5 to 24 to 30 to 24. 3-point attempt. Bang! 3 points. There's a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 17. That is your first personal foul. Substitution, sunod-sunod. O 55-38 na score. 17 naman siya. Now jersey number 5 to 7. Fake. There's a whistle. Traveling violation. Traveling. Now jersey number 05 to jersey number 17. Back to 05 to 17. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 19. Now jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 24 to 30 in the corner. Back to 24. Back to 19 to jersey number 5. 3-point attempt. Bang! Back to back. 3 points. Hugay Teramanse. Foul, jersey number 7. That is your first personal foul. Bainte naman si. Oh, jersey number 2, out of bounds, turnover pa. Now jersey number 5, dribbling the ball, abay, hindi na avanse. Arap again, isa pa, Cabos. Rebound by jersey number 03, pass to jersey number 26. Now jersey number 26. Fake, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound again by jersey number 7. Now jersey number 5, give me the ball coast to coast. There's a whistle foul, offensive foul dito. Tatlo ka na, tatlo. Tatlo na jersey number 5, tatlo. Offensive to. Wide. Oh my God, 58-38. Now jersey number 17 to 26. Another turnover. Substitution. Now jersey number 30, they're dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 7 to 24 in the corner, 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Now jersey number 30, pass to 28, pass to 13, nice pass. Oh, and now pass to jersey number 17. 2 points. Now jersey number 30, dribbling the ball. Pass to 21 to the corner. Okay, deflected out of bounds, same ball. Now jersey number 7, Tawaiwa. Casey Vasquez. 16-14, 5 minutes. Follow up, nice pass. Back to back, 2 points by jersey number 03. Jersey number 21, 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 03. Pass break, another pass break, back to back. Wala pa na sulat. Taway. Now jersey number 30. They're dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 07. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by 19. Duangamo. Hold that last 2 points. 4 minutes and 35. The jersey number 13. Low post. Vice pass. Back to back by jersey number 03. Yaga na score. Odyssey Ocho avance, jersey number 19, pass to jersey number 28, pull-up jumper, correct rebounds, 2 points. Now jersey number 28, attacking the basket, steal, Bonacanto out of bounds, another turnover. Now jersey number 13, dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 21 to the corner, another 3-point. Bam! 3 points, 23 na avance. Nice pass. Oh, palagi ka sulod. Aray ko. Pass break begitu. Yeah. Tres naman 67-44. 3 minutes and 23, third quarter. Jersey number 28, taway, black magnet. 12 to shoot, 12 to shoot, 12. Three-point attempt, no good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Now jersey number 28, harassed by 21. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner, fade, pull-up jumper. avance. 67-46. Bacaw. Now jersey number 21 to jersey number 7. To jersey na steal. Now jersey number 10. Asi 28. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 03. Back to 28. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken out of bounds. Substitution. Sunod. 2 minutes in. Oh, substitution. 2-21. Jersey number 26. Nice pass. Oh, this is the avance. 67-48, 2 minutes and 10. Now jersey number 21 to the corner to 34. To jersey number 5, back to 21. To jersey number 28. To 21. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 24, fade away. Bam! 69-48. 1 minute and 14. Still. Now jersey number 21. Foul. Oh, very excited. 1 minute and 13. Now jersey number 28 to 08. Fake to 26. Pull up jumper. No good. Out of bounds. Sulod, sab. Oh, no 23. 69-48. Oh, sab, sulod. Oh, play ball. Oh, no 23. Third quarter. 20. Oh, no avance. Now jersey number 21. Pass to 24. To 19. To 24. 3-point attempt. No good. Nice pass. There is a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 26. Jersey number 26, that is your first personal foul. 1 minute and 6. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Oh, 1 minute.
21-48, 23.8.
Go back. 50. Aray ko, taway-taway. Magin. Correnta. The 3-point attempt. No good. 30. 3-point attempt. No good. 15. Now jersey number 10 to 20. Pass to jersey number 6, 10. Oh, tako-tako na. Oh, pa. 5. End of third quarter. 23. Oh, Bacaw ball position. Good luck. We're going to fourth and final quarter. 73-50. Now jersey number 5 to 34. 230. 219. Aray ko. 25 na. Jersey number 22 to 17. 3-point attempt. Oh, no good. Rebound by Nankin. 3-point attempt. Bang! Gaulan ng 3. 78-50. Black. Tatlo ka na, 19. Tatlo na. Buhay pa kasulod ang Petro. Isa lang, 102, 51-28. Jersey number 32-24, 219. Pull up jumper. Bam! Kaso loaded. Continuing. Bring up. Now jersey number 22. Attacking the basket. Butikan pa magkabos. Oh, baik, ganda ta. Jersey number 5. Atake aray ko, mukula pau, aray ko, pusa kada. O 3-point attempt. Wala yung kasinulod. Jersey number 5. Umuk pa. Last 8 minutes, 84-51. Pull up jumper, wala gid kasulod. Na-rebound by 23. Teardrop, wala gid kasulod. Out of bounds. Jersey number 5, they're laying the basket. Last 7 minutes and 30, 84-51. Foul. The screen. Offensive foul. The jersey number 34. Jersey number 34, that is your second personal foul. Now jersey number 23. They're dribbling the ball. Is screen. Pass to 0-3. Off the glass, 2 points. Last 7 minutes, 84-53. Now jersey number 19. They're dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 34. Wow, give it goal. Highlights. Jersey number 03 of the glass, 2 points. The jersey number 5 attacking the basket, side step. Foul. Committed by jersey number 03. 03 na. That is your second personal foul. One out of 2. Wala na dapat kasulod. Wala na gana. Kaya wala. Wala. 6 minutes. 87-55. 32-point lead by Barangay Macau. Fast break. Otherwise, mop. The jersey number 10. 3-point attempt, now good. Rebound by 19. Pass to 24. To jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5. Pass to 24. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 59. 89-57. 5 to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. Jersey number 10. One. Tapos ba? Wow! 93. Last 4 minutes. Salud and sub, salud. Last 3 minutes and 49. Last 3 minutes and 49. 93-61. Jersey number 5 to 19 to 21. A 3-point attempt. No good. Two points. 10 to shoot. Rebound sa 21. Last 3 minutes. Taigos naman siya. Ten to shoot. Hila Japon. O 10 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Wala pa nagsulog. Aray ko.
Ano mo tayo, boss?
Bang! Foul! 3 shots. Isama. Oh, wala na, concede na sila, concede. Bacaw, winner for semifinal, Congratulations.